welcome back to my channel. This is Francine, aka Franny. So I'm just happy to be back with you guys. I am so sorry that I haven't been posting up videos recently. Okay, that's another story for later, story time, that I will probably tell you guys what's up, what happened, you know, during my break and all of that extra stuff that went down in my life and certain things like that. So if you guys want to see that story time, that video, just stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and welcome to my channel. It's great to have you guys, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate the love, the respect that you guys gave to me. You guys are so patient, just, you know, basically being around while I wasn't there. And also I try my best to update you guys of what's been happening, what's been going on. But you know, sometimes life just get the best of you, and you just have a lot of things going on in your life sometimes that probably may pull you down, or you know, pull you back on doing stuff that you need to be doing to move forward. So that's probably something more or less of what I've been going through, but not much of a big deal. Okay, it's because I'm actually back here again. Okay. So you guys, if you are here, that means you click on this video simply because you probably want to learn how to braid hair. You probably is interested in cornrows, something pertaining to natural braiding hair. Okay, so if you're here, sit back, relax, watch this video and stay tuned. Okay you guys, so the first step is pretty simple and easy. I just divided my hair into two large sections. Yes. And then I got my spray bottle because my hair was pretty dry, so I just make sure my hair was well moisturized with water. Then I went in by using my comb, and I used the long teeth comb, that comb that has like that long, you know, I'm not really sure what's the name of the comb, but that's the type of comb that I use to divide that section into two. Put my squingy in at the back, and then at the top I'm basically gonna divide that top portion up there into two. This is where we're gonna start off our two cornrow. This is what I do to you know, check to see if it's even. And then I'm gonna apply a rubber just to separate those two for now, until I basically part the back. This is where I go about doing the back. I first feel with my fingers, because you know, you can't see the back of your head, so that's how I do it. I try to feel from the top of the ending of the part from the top, then I just feel with my finger going down and make a, you know, a part in the middle from there. Don't worry about it, it don't have to look perfect, but it just gotta look at least straight enough. Alright, so I just basically separate these two sections. This is basically, as you guys see, exactly how I just did that. Very plain and simple. You could go ahead and improve the part if you feel like doing so, and you feel, you know, not confident that it's straight enough for you. You could also use a mirror to show at the back if the part is actually straight. Alright, so this is where I basically put some eco gel, and also I use my jam to place at the base around, you know, that entire section, just for my hair not to be frizzy when I'm braiding it or when I'm done braiding it. And here, this is where I use the jam also. When you starting off a braid, you basically want to make sure you catch all that I would say edges, you know, that jam actually pull everything in, because you want to make sure the front look nice and neat when you first start. This is where I'm just basically showing you a little bit of how I started. I'm not sure if you guys would basically get all that information from this video, but I basically started, all you need is 3 little sections at the front, and then you start off by braiding. This is just a slow motion of how it is and how to braid. Oops, I pulled in a section from the other side. Anyways, I'm gonna probably pull that back. If you guys want to see any in-depth information on how to braid, if you don't know how to braid, just stay tuned, hit that bell below so you guys could keep updated on my upcoming video. I will be putting out a video showing exactly how
to braid. Very simple and more informative. This was just a cornrow, jumbo cornrow video. This is not really a very informative video where I teach you how to braid. This is for basically beginners and people who already know how to, you know, do the basics when it comes to braiding. Alright, so that's the first braid finish. Finito! Yes! Now I'm just gonna do the other one. You see how quick that was? You know, a lot of people say, you know, braiding your hair is like very difficult because it's hard to part the hair, and that's a difficult part, you know. See, this is how the slow motion that I was telling you about, how to braid it slowly. Look at that slow motion right there. All I do is grab hair from each side with my finger, but you have to know which finger to use. That's why I said I'm gonna basically make a video of that information for people who don't know how to braid. Alright, that's it. So this is where I did my entire hair, all completed, all finished. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna do my edges. Alright, you guys, just stay tuned for the finished look. Later.
As you guys can see, I did my makeup, yes, because I had to look a little bit more cuter. Alright, not that I wasn't cute, I was cute already, but I had to have on my little makeup so I could show you guys a little bit of how it feels when you finish and then you did your makeup and everything is just together, and then, you know, you're ready to go through the door. Right now I'm not completely ready because I'm not dressed and everything, but I did my hair as I showed you guys. I did the whole head. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks completely. Okay, my parting is not as straight as I expected it to, but with more practice you can get this part together. All right, and bam, that's how the hair is. Okay, that is how it is. All right. Of how this hairstyle looks, okay, with me going out with it. All right, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys so much. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys still being here, and I love the fact that you guys are so supportive. To you guys who are new, thank you guys so much for coming by, being a part of the family. It's great to have you guys here. With that being said, you guys, see you guys on my other video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment below if you have any questions or ideas. See you guys on my other video.